Note to self: do a video on how to get started in graphic design. Oh, now, okay, alright. What's up? My name is already probably on the page, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. Isznagi is your best friend that you never known. And you want to get started in graphic design. There's a lot of misconceptions, so we can start off with some disclaimers. If you don't know nothing about me, I'm Isznagi. I'm an artist / musician. I love doing art designs, stuff like this, stuff like that, you know, all cool stuff. Some stuff that's up here behind me, mediocre, of course. What I'm telling you right now will blow your mind. You want to get started in graphic design? Really? Do you? Okay, this is what you need. You need a phone. You got a phone, right? If you don't got one, go get one right now. I mean, literally right now. If you have your cell phone or if you're on your mobile device, don't worry about it. Just follow through with me. You just need a phone or a tablet, really. Misconception: do I need to go to school? No. Do you need expensive software? No. Do you need 3 to 14 hours a day of training? No. Misconception. One of my favorite art pieces goes to show how simple it is just to get into art design. You know, I would tell you right now, the number one thing that's stopping you is probably the misconception of you don't have talent. I'm telling you right now, from the famous people back into modern artists, they use one quote that Pablo Picasso, if you don't know him, he's probably the most prominent in the 20th century artist there is. Pablo Picasso, he said, "Good artists copy, great artists steal." And that made me think, I want to get into graphic design. I wanted to, you know, explore the different options. I fell in love at art at a young age, maybe 8 or 9, I want to say. And I just took off from there, drawing. But I wanted to do digital stuff that people saw on TVs and on posters and things of that nature. I wanted to get deep into it, but I didn't have the training. So, misconception number 1, out of there. You don't, what you need a phone and a smartphone, right? Blah, blah, gabba, gabba. Get it over with, let's do it. Okay, how much it costs to get into it? How much this cost? Let me see. You can start off with $0 in your bank account. Don't worry, 21 Savage is not gonna get mad at you at this. What I'm talking about is you can use the apps on your phone. One app I love using is Pixel Art. I'm not a sponsor for them, but I really love using their app. I use multiple apps across different interfaces, and Pixel Art is probably the number one sharing to good design ratio that I have found, personally. So, just download Pixel Art. Download it now. You don't have to wait. I mean, watch the video, of course, but you don't have to wait. Download it now. So how much it costs? $0. Why graphic design though? Why do you want to get in graphic design? Because that's what's going to really make you hone your skills. I'm not going to express to you how important that is. You know, when I was doing graphic designs as a hobby, I wasn't looking to explore the creativity points. I was just looking, have fun with it. And that's important, but you need something that's going to ground you so you can hone your skills. So why graphic design? Ask yourself that question. Leave a comment down below about why do you want to do graphic design. It's for money? Sure, that's great. In the beginning, there's some graphic designs I sell online and offline. I'll get into that later in later videos. But right now, it's about you. What do you want from graphic designs? So, I'm Isznagi. Give art the swag it never had, and do it the MacGyver's way. MacGyver, one of my favorite characters when I was growing up, he always was able to do the most greatest stuff with the simple stuff like a pen or a paper clip. I'm showing you right now, you can do those great defeats in graphic design without all that crazy stuff. So, remember, if you never get anything from this video, just remember one thing, the number one thing. Graphic designs are what you make of them, not the design itself. And as always, take notes.
I'm on